The reason in 2015 we signed the strategic alliance between San Lorenzo and Simpson Marine is because we see a very, very strong growth potential for San Lorenzo brand in Asia Pacific. Today Asia represents less than 10% of our turnover. We believe that in 3 to 5 years thanks to the partnership is going to be 25% of our turnover. My ambition is, together with the Simpson Marine team, is not only to fine-tune our existing products, but also to develop even more products that are specifically designed to suit the Asia Pacific needs. Together we will have a very bright future. I'm very, very proud of this partnership.
With Simpson Marine, the participation, especially at 2016 edition, is very strong. We are now sitting on board the 86 and we have the 65 on the back.
I couldn't miss Singapore because I am, yes, quite busy, but this is a place where you have to go. First of all, because the market is strategic for every company in our field. So if you want to be really global and international, you need to be here. You have to follow the client's exigencies, and we do this by making research, working in our experience, and luckily we are very supported by Simpson Marine, who has an enormous experience. Is the first player in the area since many, many years now. So we have basically all the conditions to be successful. We feel confident with the next 5 years because the crisis is over.
Asian clients appreciate the fact that Viking is a family-run business, that the product has no compromise, and that the client can depend on us for a lifetime of boating.
We have two key models, I would say. First, the very popular Lagoon 450, it's a 45-footer mid-size cat, very popular because very well priced and high-quality build boats. And then we have the larger one, like 560 we're on and the 630 here behind us, and Lagoon 620, very popular in Southeast Asia. Simpson Marine today, we know, is the only company in Asia that can offer service from North Asia, going from Taiwan, China, Philippines, and going down here to Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. It's the only company who can offer this level of service. And why? It's because Mike Simpson is also a sailor. He knows exactly what it is to maintain a boat, and he's always kept the focus on his technical team to make sure that the maintenance was properly done on his customers' boats.
Singapore Yacht Show is the greatest opportunity we have in Southeast Asia to showcase our range of brands, both sail yachts, power yachts, through to our super yacht brand of San Lorenzo. Our mantra is to make yachting ownership easy, and that is for everybody. And it's not a matter of wealth, it's a matter of interest. Is this something you'd like to participate in? And what powers us as a company is helping people enjoy, at whatever level they enter the industry. But I think a key message for all of us is to work in partnership with our brands, to work in partnership with the boat shows, to work in partnership with government to ensure that it's becoming an accessible pastime for everybody. That's incredibly important to us.